At 2:17 in the morning, Earth made a mistake. A mistake of attention.
And the universe noticed. The signal did not arrive like science fiction promised.
There was no light in the sky, no shaking ground, no warning sirens. It slipped quietly into the background noise of space, hiding among radiation older than the sun itself. For hours it went unnoticed, dismissed as meaningless static.
Then the static stopped behaving like static. A single radio telescope detected the anomaly first.
Noise aligned. Random spikes flattened into order. Intervals repeated with impossible precision.
The pattern held, unbroken, stable, deliberate. Within minutes, the same structure appeared in observatories.
On opposite sides of the planet. Different machines, different environments. Identical results. We've ruled out the entire eastern seaboard array.
And the western quadrant is showing the same anomaly. Where is this signal coming from?
They checked military systems. Nothing. They checked deep space catalogs.
The source appeared to come from a region of space that contained nothing at all. No stars. No analysis began immediately. The expectation was simple mathematics, the universal language of intelligence, prime numbers, binary sequences.
The next cycle compensated for it. When noise increased, followed.
That was when unease set in. The longer the signal was observed, the clearer its structure became.
Patterns nested inside patterns. Dependencies formed between sequences. There was hierarchy, rules, constraints.
Meaning embedded in form. Grammar. The realization silenced entire rooms.
Because grammar requires thought, and thought requires awareness. As decoding models improved, a second realization emerged, slower and far more disturbing. The signal was not directed at Earth. Its trajectory passed directly through the planet and continued outward, deeper into space. Earth was not the destination. Earth was in the way. Humanity had not been contacted. It had eavesdropped. That reframed everything.
Every cycle of the signal with silence. A waiting space. As if the sender expected something to happen before continuing. As if it was listening. For 3 days, the signal repeated. During that time, a conceptual translation began to form. Not words, but intent. The message was not emotional, not descriptive. It did not tell a story. There was no mention of life, no reference to intelligence, no acknowledgement of civilizations. Then one new element appeared. Interference detected. That phrase did not belong. Interference meant disruption, something unexpected, something that altered the process, something unaccounted for. The first time, Earth mattered. 72 hours after the signal began, it stopped. There was no fading, no breakdown, no loss of coherence. One moment it existed, the universe returned to its endless background hiss, as if nothing had happened. Public explanations followed quickly.
Equipment malfunction, rare cosmic coincidence, data misinterpretation. But among those who had seen the raw transmission, no one believed that.
Because the signal left behind evidence. Sensitive instruments recorded subtle changes.
Nothing dramatic, nothing dangerous, but measurable, persistent. A theory began circulating quietly, never written down, never officially acknowledged. What if
distance is meaningless to them? What if movement is unnecessary? What if observation is enough?
Not visitors, not invaders, observers.
Tracking complexity. Watching life rise, stabilize, collapse. Waiting for thresholds to be crossed. Life might be common, intelligence rarer, and self-awareness of the universe itself might be the rarest signal of all.
Not contact, recognition. The signal was not meant to find us, but it did.
Some believe the signal will return. Others believe it already has, hidden in frequencies humans cannot yet